Hey everyone guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as usual, today in this video episode we will actually learn something new, and my video actually is a little bit tutorial, a little bit reviewing video, a little bit just about Shopify, my experience right here. And actually this video is gonna be about Shopify. So as usual, I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your shares, comments, and how does Shopify work? So actually Shopify is an e-commerce platform that hosts your online store. So basically it helps you to organize the layout of your store's appearance through themes which you're free to modify or change any way you want. Basically, it also offers payment processing, which allows you to accept and receive payments for the products you sell. So Shopify owns the popular dropshipping app, and this app is called Averlo. This app allows you to choose from millions of products that you can start selling the same day without having to pay for inventory upfront. Basically, there are many products which you can actually sell on Shopify, such as clothing, jewelry, it may be pet products or even baby maternity products, travel products, it may be home accessories, automotive accessories, and much more. So I really do hope that this video is going to be very useful for you, and in this video episode I will show you all how you can add products in your store and actually how the platform is look like, so you may watch in this video episode without registration, and after if you actually understand that it's your perfect choice to start your business, so you may try your trial periods on Shopify. So first of all, you need to start a free trial. A free trial period right here is 14 days, and it will ask you your login, email, your password, and of course the name of your store. So this is the email address and the password, and I'm basically your store name. If you don't have a store right now, it's not a problem. You may imagine what store will be, and let it be toys for children. So actually let's okay. Ah, okay, let it be this name. Please don't judge me so strictly because it's just an example for you. So of course you will imagine your personal name of your site. So it's just an example, and after you need to click bottom to create your store, and I'm gonna do the same. So I'm actually right here, you have 2 steps, and you need to fill all this information. So are you already selling? For example, I'm not selling products yet, or you sell with a different system, or you selling but just not online. So it depends on you. In my case, in this video episode will be I'm not selling products yet. Did you have something to say? Oh no, I'm just playing around on Shopify. Revenue, it's an optional, I would say, and not only optional. So I won't show you my revenue because it doesn't. You don't need to know this information. It's not so important. It's just your personal information that you need to fill. So I guess that it's not so important in this video episode. So which industry you will be operating in? It will be beauty, electronics, furniture, groceries, sports, toys. It'd be related to toys, and actually the next. The next, what you need to do to fill all actually these gaps with appropriate information. What kind of information? Name, surname, street number, additional address, postal code, city. So right here you need to fill all these gaps. Country, region. It may be right here you have the list of the countries, so it depends where you. Phone, and after it's optional right here at this section, and after you need to enter my store. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to select a plan. Why? Because if you would love to actually to sell products right here on this service Shopify platform, so basically you need to have to select a plan. And of course, if you would like to, I would say, continue beyond this 14 days trial period, of course you need to select a plan. Let's check what plans actually we have right here in Shopify. And actually on Shopify we have 3 plans: basic Shopify, Shopify, and advanced Shopify. So to be honest, I guess that basic Shopify will be your best friend. It has staff accounts 2 and 4 locations. It has here you have actually credit card rates, and to be honest, what I can say, it's really your best friend, because you know it's $29. It's not a big number, I would say. So you may try with this plan. Recommended right here is Shopify. It's just like a golden medium, I would say. And advanced Shopify if you have many actually online stores, so that's actually a plan will be appropriate for you. So what I can add, let's actually talk a little bit more about how to add actually products. So clicking directly to the bottom of products, we have actually all the products, and right now we don't have any products. So clicking directly to the bottom of add products, we will actually to fill all the important and appropriate information about the products. We will upload the media, and don't forget that right here you have actually the name of your store. Okay. So actually right here you have a title, and this should be a title of your product, a description as usual. Try to fill right here full description of the product. Media, please try to make your content actually in high quality. It's really important, because if you would like to sell your product, and if you would like someone to actually buy your product, it's very important to show this product in high quality. So remember that your visual content should be nice, should be perfect, with actually good images and portfolio. And of course, pricing, if your product has barcode or stock keeping unit, how many products are available right now, weight, and all of this information. So as I said, our store is about toys for children, so let's search some toys. So I decided to add actually a Baby Yoda toy from the Star Wars, and actually this is the title. Yeah, this is product feature, the full description, and actually the media. So basically that is how it looks like, and remember that the media should be always in high quality if you would like actually to sell your product. Okay, so basically that it's visual content, how it looks like, yep, and basically the price. So the price, compared price, cost per item. Actually, if your product has a stock keeping unit, you need to actually add this or a barcode. Quantity, how many these Baby Yodas are available, yep. The weight, country of region, United States, yep. And actually, if this product has multiple options, for example, you can add size, color, and that's all. And of course, save all the settings. And actually, I would love to check the preview, how it looks like, and we will right now check actually the preview. Actually, right here we have more actions and preview, so it will show us actually the preview. Yep, that is how it looks like. So the cost right now, all actually the media and actually product features. So basically, in this way, that is how you can add products on Shopify. I can say that Shopify allows beginners to create online store without any coding skills and experience. Yeah, and I would say when we'll building a Shopify store, online store, what you are really building is a business, to be honest. It's not a passive income stream, and starting a business isn't necessarily an easy thing to do. And Shopify, at first point, is not very easy. It's very intuitive platform, but the only thing is just you need to, I would say, to practice, and it's really just takes some practice, takes some time. And there are additional plans, so such as the light plan, which gives you the opportunity on social media. You can also be purchased for about $9 a month. And Shopify also offers an, I would say, enterprise plan, called Plus plan, for gigantic online stores. It's not cheap. You have to know about it, as it starts $2,000 a month. Yeah, and of course, a domain name costs extra, starting at $14 per year. But first of all, I would love to tell you that you just need to try. You have a trial period. Is this actually be good for you or not? And what I can say, let's go back to home of this home section of Shopify. And at the section of home, we have actually bottom of customized theme. Clicking directly to this bottom, we actually will have the themes. Current, what we have right now, yep, so it's just like all in gray, I would say, and it doesn't have any pictures, but we have theme library, and we can actually explore free themes. And for example, what themes we have directly right here. There are not so much right here, so many of these themes, but we may start from, I would say, this one, and let's start from actually this theme, just as a part of an example. The next, what we got, actually, this is a page, home, yep. So actually, we just added product, we customized a theme. The next thing you need to add a domain, but this video episode is about actually adding a product. And for example, if in case I think that of course one product is not enough, I would love to add the other product, and all the same steps I need to repeat, but the product will be the other one. So on that, actually I decided to add the other toy, just an example, and to save all the settings. Okay, and at the section of all the products, you can check that we have 2 toys, not only one. So basically here we have 8 actually toys, Baby Yodas in stock, and for example, we have this toy, and actually here information we can change, for example, yep, or delete or change, it depends actually on the situation. And of course the name, the vendor of actually our store name. So what I would love to tell you actually, oh, and I forgot to show you the preview one more time about this actually more action, and here we have the preview. So basically that is how it looks like, all the same, but actually media, we have the other content and the description. So this is the end of this video episode. I'm waiting as usual for your comments. I'm waiting for your personal opinion about Shopify. Have you ever tested Shopify or you use the other platform? And if you use, in case if you use the other platform, please write me in comments what is the name of this platform. And to be honest, I really do hope that this video will be useful for you. I wish you good mood, good vibes with Shopify and of course with my YouTube channel. And see ya soon in another video episode. Bye!